Marlena, let's talk about healthcare and how it factors into your decision about where to live in retirement. People always say, I want to live somewhere warm, I don't want to shovel snow, but healthcare is a big issue. How much will it cost and what's the quality? I mean, how important should that be in your consideration of where to move after retirement?
That should be a big consideration in your retirement plan, especially if you're going to plan to relocate to another country. A lot of people like to relocate to Florida or Arizona. Typically, we call them the Canadian snowbirds. But what you have to factor in is that that's going to cost you a lot more than staying in Canada. You might also lose eligibility for your provincial health care, so that's something also to look into.
There's the cost of maintaining your household in this hot spot where you'll be living, but you also have to be paying for health care that here is covered through your tax dollars.
That's right.
How big a portion of your spending might it be if let's say you did move to Arizona?
Well, if you did move to Arizona, you would need to get yourself some supplemental health insurance. So that's going to add to your costs, because if you don't get that, then chances are you're going to be paying perhaps 80% of the total cost of your healthcare needs.
Do you think it makes more sense to buy the health insurance coverage and pay those fixed certain premiums than to just pay the expenses as they might arise when you're living in the States?
Yes, most certainly. It's highly recommended that you get that supplemental insurance before you go, even if you go for a day.
Sure, but that insurance would be available for people who are maintaining open-ended residency in the United States as well?
If you have open-ended residency, for sure, and you want to make sure that you look into what type of coverage it gives you and for what period of time. So if you're going to relocate temporarily, you're going to need to get insurance every year if that's going to be something you're doing on an annual basis during the winters.
Many thanks, Marlena.
You're welcome.